And there we go. After the races, 26,242. Alas, I mean, a little. It's kind of flattish, right? Right now, 26,221. So absolutely flat out of the gates. Absolutely flat. 18-point change. Nifty Bank is 59,580. Mid-cap index is absolutely flat. The small-cap index will come up on your screen as well, and we'll pick it up from there. I think the Nifty 50 heat map gives you a quick sense of where we are landing in terms of market open across the 15 large-cap names. And it's basically more up than down, definitely. So, Hindalco, Jio Fin, M&M on one end, and you've got HDFC Life, Maruti, Titan on the other side of the spectrum. So, there's a bit of a buoyancy, as you can see, 26,244, 41, 40, 38. So, dancing around. Surabhi.
Teasing. But anyway, it's an assortment of stocks, really. Not too clear in terms of trends. Hindalco is up and about. There's L&T, there's M&M. M&M, by the way, is launching, an EV today, highly anticipated. I think it's the EV version of the XUV 700, so watch out for this one. Tata Motors passenger vehicle still continuing its good form with the buzz around the Sierra. 1% on that stock as well. Bajaj Auto is actually also up. So some of the auto names are looking good. ONGC, Bajaj Finance, Jio Finance. These are some of the early movers on the upside. Asian Paints about 0.5% higher. They're looking at expansion in international markets. On the downside, what's keeping a lid on the rise? Actually, no stock is falling too much. It's just the ones that are dragging their feet. For instance, Reliance Industries, absolutely flat, doing absolutely nothing. Let's check the other big boys. HDFC Bank, absolutely flat, no sign of move. ICICI Bank in comatose territory as well. And this is the reason why the market's not able to really make up its mind. ITC is up about 0.25%. Lever is absolutely flat. None of the big guns are firing. Let's check the tech stocks. Infosys, absolutely nothing, 1.5 rupees. TCS, totally flat, 2 rupees. So till these big boys decide which way they want to go, I don't think we're getting that close to the all-time high. So Nigel, the countdown is still on?
Well, that's right. The countdown is still on. A few stocks, though, from the broader markets that deserve special mention. You have Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy. They have received the second South African project of around 1,300 crore rupees. Explains why that stock is up. You have another one, GMDC, the rare earth opportunity. That's the stock that's in focus, in today's trading session. Yesterday it was up, and today as well, seeing some follow-through buying. The gains will come in the next few years or so, but the street wants to price it in. Remember the stock, 650 to 550 now, even after the 10% move you've seen in the last couple of trading sessions. So that's another one on the radar. What else? I think you've already highlighted a couple of the other names that are moving around. Capillary Technologies yesterday as well, that came up as one of the top movers, and then it slipped from the top, but that one's opening up in the green. The dollar index has cooled off, so that's why you have metal stocks that are participating. Nalco, SAIL, they're all up in today's trading session. And GMDC, besides the rare earth opportunity, it also has this tailwind of being a mining-related play as well. Ashok Leyland is up another 2.5%. So pretty good start, but just waiting for a few more minutes, I think, before we hit the fresh all-time highs.
Okay, I think, we've got the broader market looking much, much better. So about 3:1, like yesterday. So 1,700 stocks are higher, and about 580 stocks are down at this stage. And it's a good-looking screen. GMDC, from the point that we put out yesterday, CNBC put out the story that the cabinet is basically going to take up the rare earth scheme for approval. This is in the afternoon. From that point, the stock's up about 10%. So it's been a meaningful move, 555 on GMDC. And we've got a discussion coming up on rare earths in a bit, in about 30 minutes' time. Excel Soft is a listing from yesterday. It's coming up with just a 2% pop, but it's got very large volumes for this point in the day. What else? You got Sterling Wilson Solar, 3% higher right now. Best Agro, 11%. It was a very large mover yesterday, and it's coming up with volumes right now. Ganesh Eco, the recycler, right? Completely bombed out name, but it's coming up 8% yesterday, 8% today. It's, I think it was part of...
No.
Okay, I think I'm talking about... no, sorry. I misread it. Ganesh Housing is the one. Beg your pardon. Actually, the price is pretty similar, $900. 8% actually on this one. Yeah, that's the one. Ganesh Eco, the recycler, was the one which was on Nimesh's chatter list and, of course, did very well yesterday. But today it's, of course, kind of flattish. SMS Pharma was a big mover yesterday, 326. It's coming up with large volumes at this point in the time. Fino Payments Bank is the other one. Ended 10% higher, I think about 8% by close. But it's coming up. It's coming up with another, I think, 4% pop at this stage. So that's the picture. Whirlpool, of course, there's a large block, 10% lower. It's the number one volume-led loser at this stage, 1,070.